Hey guys, this is the remaining part of last video. Here we will discuss the ortho effect on benzoic acid or how ortho effect affect the acidic strength of benzoic acid. So at first, what is benzoic acid? I know you know benzoic acid, benzene containing carboxylic group. This is benzoic acid, correct? Now we will see how ortho effect or SIR will affect the acidic strength of benzoic acid. Before that, we will see an example. Just assume that you are a businessman. Yes, you are a businessman, and there was a industry, and you are the only supply. This is industry. I am assuming that this is an industry, and you are the only supplier for raw material for this industry. Now, in the first condition, what we are assuming that this industry have only one supplier, that was you, correct? Now you have a lot of raw material, you have lots of raw material, and you used to supply to this industry. Now in this condition, whatever cost you ask, the owner of this industry will provide you that cost for the raw material. After some time, what happened? He get to know another supplier, that is H, just assume another supplier H, who can also supply the same raw material to the industry, correct? Now in second condition, if you ask for higher cost, will the owner of industry provide you that cost? No, because in this time there are two suppliers, but the demand was constant, correct? The demand is constant, but supplier is increase, correct? In this condition, if you ask for higher amount, he will not provide you higher amount or cost. So compare your stability with these two cases. In the first case, you are the only supplier, so whatever you ask, he had to provide you. But in the second case, you are not the only supplier. If you ask for higher cost, he will buy the goods from the another one at the lower cost. So your stability in the second case is less than the first case, correct? Am I correct? In the first case, you are the only one, you have your own monopoly, but in the second case you have a competitor, so your stability is less as compared to previous one, correct? Now apply the same thing. On carboxylic acid. Now what I am doing, remove this one, okay, and removing this H, because we are comparing the acidic strength. Okay, now see, in this condition, assume here you, this is the owner of industry, and there is next supplier, this one, correct? Now if this pi bond break, this pi bond break, it will acquire plus charge. Now it need electron density, you may also supply, he may also supply, correct? There are two supplier, you may also supply, and this one also supply. If anyhow it will not able to supply, then what happen? You will be the only supplier, means tendency of this charge density to go in resonance will increase, correct? If its tendency to participate in resonance increase, its mean its stability will increase, correct? Now see the same thing happening here. In the first case, what is happening? Both is participating, this one is also participating and this one is also participating, correct? This oxygen is also participating and this benzene is also participating. But in the second case, what is happening? In the second case, because of this group at the ortho position, benzene will not able to supply their electron density to carbon, correct? If benzene is not able to supply their electron density, then the only one supplier, which one is O minus, then tendency of O minus, the tendency of this O minus to go in resonance with this carbon or this double bond will increase, correct? Am I correct? If its tendency to participate in resonance will increase, it means its stability will increase, correct? You can also understand this like this. Now just assume this is the carboxylic acid. Now there are three resonating structure. We are just considering three like this. We are showing another way to understand the same thing. Okay, that is -1 and double bond O. The next one will be like this, that CO minus and O minus, double bond plus double bond and double bond. It will also go for the resonance. This carbocation will also go for the resonance with benzene chain, but we are considering only these three cases. Now see what is happening. If we see that, I am assuming that this complete rotation is occurring in 10 minutes. This complete rotation is occurring in 10 minutes. Now I am checking the charge density. This is one oxygen, this is two oxygen, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, correct? Now I am checking the charge density on oxygen, oxygen 1 and oxygen 2. Charge density, duration of charge density available and oxygen 1. You know that if charge density will stay for higher duration, then their chance to be attacked by electrophile will be higher, correct? If charge density will be available for less time, it means its tendency to get attacked by any electrophile, or electrophile means plus charge, will be less, correct? If its tendency to attack will be less, then its stability will be more. The same thing I am finding here. See this. Now for O1, oxygen 1, how much time it acquired negative charge? And what I was saying, that this complete rotation is occurring in 10 minutes. I am assuming that this structure will stay for 4 minutes, this structure will stay for 4 minutes, this structure will stay for 2 minutes. Why I am giving it less time? Because you can compare the stability of resonating structure, correct? Oxygen have negative charge, both first and second structure, this first and second, sorry, let me take another color, yeah. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, correct? First and second structure, stability of first and second, it have less charge, only one charge. Here there are three charged particles, charged atom. So first and second is more stable as compared to third. So if structure is more stable, it means it will be stay for higher duration, correct? Okay, so we consider it will stay for 4 minutes, it will stay for 4 minutes, and it will stay for 2 minutes. Now see this. Now I am checking the charge density, duration of charge density on oxygen 1. So we can see in this structure it have charge density on oxygen 1 means 4 minutes, and here it have charge density for 2 minutes, then 6 minutes for oxygen 1, and similarly here we can see oxygen 2 have charge density, it means 4 minutes, and here 2 minutes. How much time it will have? It will have 6 minutes, correct? Now the second case, when resonance of this benzene is blocked by ortho group, okay, sorry, let me explain, okay. Now in this condition what will happen? The resonance of this group will be blocked by this group, correct? That is SIR effect. Now there is only two possibility of resonating structure. The two possibility of resonating structure, the first one is written and the next one will be like this, C and O minus N double bond O. So here also all rotation will be done in 10 minutes, correct? In this time, this is option 1, this is option 2. Sorry, same color will not be valid. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now, tell me, this complete rotation is occurring in 10 minutes and both are equivalent resonating structure. Since both are equivalent resonating structure, so time will be equal as in the last case. As in the last case, see this one. Oh, it will be like this. Okay, this one and this one have the same timing because these are equivalent resonating structure. That's why here that's why here the time duration for both the structure will be same, means it will have 5 minutes and it will have 5 minutes, correct? Now oxygen 1 have charge density for 5 minutes and oxygen 2 have charge density for 5 minutes, both have 5 minutes, correct? Now compare it with the last one. Here oxygen 1 and oxygen 2 have charge density for 6 minutes. In the second case it have charge density for 5 minutes. Means in this condition the time duration for the charge density at one oxygen will be less, so its tendency to get attacked by external factor will be less, correct? टाइम चार्ज जितनी ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं कि बाहर वाले एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रोफाइल उस पर अटैक कर दे। अगर कम टाइम के लिए रहेगा तो अटैक होने की टेंडेंसी क्या होगी, कम हो जाएगी, करेक्ट है? So the second one is more stable, correct? So we can say this one is, in this condition molecules will be more stable than this one. That's why we are saying that because of this group their stability is getting increased. If stability of anion is increasing, their acidic strength will increase, correct? In this manner the ortho effect or SIR effect will increase the stability of anion or acidic strength of carboxylic group, correct? Did you get it what I told? In the first condition I told the only supplier means only one, this one is supplying, means its tendency to participate in resonance will increase, correct? We can also explain this like in this manner by their resonating structure, that there are 3 resonating structure, correct? And the complete rotation was for 10 minutes. 4 minutes have this one, 4 minutes have this one and 2 minutes have this one, and we conclude that oxygen 1 have 6 minutes. Charge density on oxygen 1 will be remain for 6 minutes and oxygen 2 will be remain for 6 minutes. In the same, when we apply the ortho effect, the charge density on oxygen 1 and oxygen 2 will be for 5 minutes because their resonance is getting blocked, correct? So in this condition charge density on oxygen will be stay for less time. If charge density will be available for less time, stability will be more, so acidic strength will be more.